Using the drawing pen tool, you can easily create unique shapes. Click on the drawing tool button. Click anywhere on the workspace to define a starting point. Click again to place the next point. A line will be created between the 2 points. Keep placing points to create your object consisting of straight lines. Finish it by either pressing Enter or by placing the last point on the first one. This will create a closed object. There are several options for handling lines while drawing. Hold down Ctrl to lock the line horizontally or vertically. A crosshair cursor is shown and snapping is activated. The lines of the cursor will snap to existing nodes in your graphics, making it easier to align nodes and lines. While you are drawing, you can use the arrow keys to nudge the previously placed node. Hold down Shift while using the arrow keys to make the line shorter or longer. Or you can hold down Ctrl while nudging to change the angle of the line. If you double-click when placing the end point of a line, it will be converted into a curve. You can also use the shortcut key C to convert the last segment to a curve. Move the cursor to adjust the look of the curve and then click when you are satisfied with its look. By holding down Ctrl when adjusting the curve, you can lock the snap handles to be placed horizontally and vertically. You can also use the arrow keys to nudge the current node. When you are adjusting a curve, you can press Shift when using the arrow keys to increase or shorten the length of the first handle, and by pressing Alt and Shift, you will adjust the length of the second handle. Pressing Ctrl when using the arrow keys will adjust the angle of the first handle, and pressing Alt Ctrl will adjust the angle of the second handle. You can also convert the last segment to circular arc by pressing A on the keyboard. Then move the cursor to adjust the arc and click when you are satisfied with its look. You can naturally also use the arrow keys to nudge the end node of the arc. The radius and the center point of the circle will be recalculated automatically. Pressing Shift when using the arrow keys will increase or decrease the radius of the arc. The position of the end node will then be calculated automatically. When you are done nudging, you can press Enter to verify that you are ready with the current segment and continue to draw the next one. You can use backspace to undo the last drawn segment.